children, today we are going to start with chapter number 5, that is the hot desert. So, in this chapter, we will study about the desert. What is desert? It is an area which gets scanty of rainfall or no rainfall. The ground is generally covered with thick and shifting mounds of dust. So, there are various types of desert. Those found between 15 to 30 degree north of the equator are hot desert. Where they are located? They are located near the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn in both northern and southern hemisphere. The sun beats down from the cloudless sky here. Some of the example of hot desert are सहारा और कालाहाल. ये कहाँ लाई करते हैं? आपके अफ्रीका में, ग्रेट ऑस्ट्रेलियन डेजर्ट ऑस्ट्रेलिया में, थार डेजर्ट भारत में और पाकिस्तान एंड द मैक्सिको डेजर्ट इन मैक्सिको. So there are temperate desert also. So Gobi desert, we have cold desert. Also like we have a tundra desert where it lies in Russia. So next is, so if we talk about यहाँ पे जो क्लाइमेट होता है एक्सट्रीम क्लाइमेट होता है, वेरी हॉट समर्स एंड वेरी हॉट विंटर. सो ये कहाँ होता है? हायर लैटिट्यूड्स पे होता है. एंड डेजर्ट्स आर फॉर्म्ड बिकॉज दे फॉल अंडर द विंड बेल्ट दैट ब्रिंग्स ड्राई विंड्स फ्रॉम द इनलैंड. They are also the result of deforestation and when infertile soil is left behind, तब soil क्या हो जाता है? Blown away हो जाता है. All deserts are found on the western sides of the country. Next is climate. So let's study about climate. There are no clouds in the desert. During the daytime, deserts get heated quickly. So in the night, if we talk about, as the sky is clear, deserts cool down very fast. And the weather in the desert regions experience what? Extreme days. So during the day, they are generally very hot and temperate, may soar up to a high as 50 degrees Celsius. So we can say that another feature of desert is that there is very little rainfall. In some desert like Atacama, it has not been raining from many years. Next is plant life. There is a scarce vegetation in the desert. The plants and trees are found here and they are adapted to favor extreme climate and scarcity. So they have long roots that go deep down the earth to get water. Leaves transform into thorns or wear thick waxy coating to prevent loss of water. So in some cases, leaves takes the form of spines और वो क्या करते हैं? उसको protect करते हैं from animals. Next is the stems are thick and fleshy and store water of the plants. Generally जो shrubs होते हैं वो small leaves होती है. Thorny bushes होती है. आपको यहाँ कांटे वाले पेड़ ज़्यादा देखने को मिलेंगे. Why? Because of scarcity of water. जैसे date palm हो गया, cacti हो गया, right? And it is also called bottle tree. The boab tree is found in the Kalahari desert in Africa and in the Australian desert. और जो trunk होती है, it is barrel shaped and become hollow inside as it is matures. Water is stored in his hollow portion and it is assumed that one such tree trunk can store how much? That is 1000 liter of water. Next is animal life. So different types of animals and insects are found in the desert. So such hyenas, hedgehogs, jerboas, foxes, scorpions, spider, they sleep during the day under the ground and come out of night. ठीक है? दिन में तो वो सोते हैं और रात को बाहर आते हैं because of the hot weather condition. Camel, it is called ship of the desert. ये अपने water food को कहाँ store करके रखता है? अपने hump में. और ये survive करता है without food and water for several days. So it stores food in the hump in the form of fat. It has a thick padded feet with long legs which helps it walk in the sand. जो eyelids होती है camels की, उसको किससे protect करती है? That is eyes during the sandstorm. Besides its small ears and nostrils, उसको फ्रिज से prevent करती है sand from entering its body. It is tough and strong legs and jaws that helps us to eat and chew the thorny bushes and cacti without hurting itself. बिना उसको क्या करे? Hurt. So we have human life. So let's study about the human life. It is very difficult for human beings to live in the deserts and their population is very scarce in such area. मेन ऑक्यूपेशन जो लोगों की होती है वो होती है एनिमल रेयरिंग, या फिर वो फार्मिंग करते हैं, एनिमल्स को रेयर करते हैं, ट्रेडिंग करते हैं. एंड देयर आर सम रेजिडेंट्स दैट कीप कैमल्स, गोट, हॉर्सेस एंड शीप, बट बिकॉज ऑफ द स्कार्सिटी ऑफ वाटर and food or pasture for the cattle, we move from one place to another. The carrying their belonging wherever they go. Tuareg tribe of Western Sahara and Budayums of North Africa, Arabia live like this. So tent है बुदायूं का, वो किससे बना है? Goat or camel skin, and thus can easily be carried from place to place. in search of better prospects. So camel are used for transport and trading. Merchants or traders move from one place to another with their goods, and the main item to जो ट्रेड्स होते थे वो क्या होते थे? ड्रग्स हो गया, आपका कारपेट्स हो गए, फूड ग्रेन्स हो गए, रोप्स हो गए एंड डिग्स, राइट? पहले क्या था, लोग अपने बैग पे कैरी करके ले जाते, विद द इन्वेंशन ऑफ मॉडर्न मीन्स ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्टेशन नाउ पीपल आर यूजिंग कार्स एंड जीप. Cultivation is practiced in the oases and near the river. Rice, millets and maize, they are the main crops that are grown here, right? जिसमें आपकी winter crop भी है. Date palm is the most commonly found tree and the fruit of this tree is rich in vitamins and sugar. Another important activity is mining. So Sahara Desert is rich in iron ore, copper, petroleum, natural gas. Atacama Desert किसके लिए फेमस है? कॉपर और नाइट्रेट रिजर्व्स के लिए. इराक, ईरान, कुवैत एंड सऊदी अरेबिया ये रिच है पेट्रोलियम के लिए. और जो आपकी हज है पिलग्रिम जो मक्का कौन करता है? मुस्लिम्स करते हैं अराउंड द वर्ल्ड एंड इट अकर्स फॉर 5 days ऑफ द ईयर. ये लार्जेस्ट पिलग्रिमेज है वर्ल्ड, right? This is all about the hot desert, that is Sahara Desert. Hope you understood. Now, in this chapter, I have also told you about some cold desert and hot desert. Now, let's meet in the next class. Thank you.